We shall prevent it. We shall prevent food from getting spoiled and decomposed. And we shall protect it. We shall protect its natural taste and function and all that goes with it. Lipmen absorbing technology is now going global. Many familiar products are able to maintain their value because of our technology. The most familiar oxygen absorbers prevent mold and microorganisms from breeding, of course, by absorbing oxygen. This extends the shelf life and permits us to maintain food in best quality. Moisture-dependent oxygen absorber really start to shine when used on products that have a lot of moisture in it, such as rice cake, noodles, and sausages. The self-reacting type oxygen absorber can be applied to all products irrespective to the amount of moisture it has. For products that need to go into the microwave, we use microwave-type oxygen absorbers that are made from wrappers with high resistance. Lipmen has already overcome significant obstacles in this field, such as detecting foreign matters through X-ray. And additional to this, we have also developed Korea's first non-iron-based oxygen absorber that cannot be detected by metal detectors. Gas absorber prevents wrappers from expanding by absorbing carbon dioxide, which can be generated by products such as kimchi. By absorbing ethylene gas, which ripens fruits and veggie, we can maintain our product as fresh as possible. Lipmen Moisture Absorber has been needed in many other places than preventing food from getting spoiled, especially by oxygen. McDry is showing 3 times higher performance than silica gel in absorbing moisture. There are also products that absorb both oxygen and moisture. Complex deoxidation desiccant is one of them, and this permits our product to remain fresh as long as possible. Lipmen technologies have always been close to us. It's just that we had never recognized it. We always try our best to figure a way to keep our foods as fresh as possible. Lipmen Company Limited.